Now we're going to be taking our knowledge of parabolas and graphing this information. So here are the steps to graphing. First, you want to find all your information. So we need the vertex, the focus, the directrix, and we need to know what our AOS is. Next, we're going to plot all of this information in our graph. Then we're going to use 2c to find points on our parabola. The distance between the focus and the parabola is 2 times c. So from the vertex to the focus is c, but from the focus to the actual parabola is 2c. Now you don't have to do this. If you want to just make a table, you can, but this is a shortcut way so you don't have to make a table. So we need to find the vertex, the focus, and the directrix as well as the AOS in order to graph this parabola. Because my squared term is y, that means I'm going to be opening left or opening right. Left if a is negative and right if a is positive. So in order to figure out my vertex as well as a, I need to complete the square. So I'm going to bring all my y terms together and I'm going to move that x term to the other side. To find the value that completes the square, we take our b and we divide by 2. So I'm going to have y minus 1 squared, and the value that completes the square is whatever that is squared. So adding positive 1 here and here will complete the square. So simplifying the right-hand side, I'm going to have 4x plus 1 plus 3, which is going to give me 4. And now I'm going to isolate the x. So I'm going to move everything to one side. And then I'm going to have to divide through by 4 to get x alone. Now dividing by 4 here on this term, this will just hop in front and become a 1/4. Alright, so now it looks like I can find my vertex. Remember, since this is y, this is actually k right here. So k is a positive 1 and h is a negative 1. So I'm going to have a vertex of negative 1, positive 1. To find my focus and directrix, I need my focal length. Now since a here is a positive 1/4, I know that I'm going to be opening to the right. So a is a positive 1/4, which is also equal to 1/4c. So it's easily seen that c is going to be 1. So let's go ahead and plot our vertex. Negative 1, 1. And then since c is 1, and I know I'm opening to the right, my focus will be located 1 to the right, which is at 0, 1. And my directrix will be 1 to the left. So my directrix will be at x equals negative 2. Because I'm opening to the right and my parabola is located 2c away from our focus, since c is 1, I'm going to go 2 up, 2 down from my focus to get 2 more points on my parabola. Now, of course, you could just make a table if you're more comfortable with that, but this is like a little shortcut. And there's my parabola. Alright, now this one is already in vertex form. You just need to divide through by 4 in order to isolate the y. And go ahead and find the vertex, the focus, and the directrix, and the AOS to graph this parabola.